TV couples who ended their relationship after live-in relationship. Adhyan Suman and Myra Mishra. Popular TV actress Myra Mishra and actor Adhyan Suman were dating each other and they were in a live-in relationship. But recently, the couple called it quits and their relationship had ended in an ugly manner, with Myra blaming Adhyan for torturing her. Sushant Singh Rajput and Ankita Lokhande. The lead Bollywood actor and his co-star from Pavitra Rishta, Ankita Lokhande, were in a live-in relationship. The couple dated each other for almost 6 years before they decided to end their relationship. Asha Negi and Hrithik Dhanchani. One of the most favorite couples of Indian TV industry were Hrithik and Asha, who met on the sets of Pavitra Rishta. Recently, the couple decided to end their live-in relationship of 6 years. The couple was supposed to get married. Rashmi Desai and Nandish Sandhu. This couple from the TV industry stayed in a live-in relationship for 1 year before they tied their wedding knots. But things did not go down well and the couple had to end their marriage. Amir Ali and Sanjeeda Sheikh. Before their marriage, the couple was in a live-in relationship for several years. Recently, in 2020, the couple is reported to have filed for divorce, which is very unfortunate. Sara Khan and Paras Chhabra. One of the most controversial couples of Bollywood, Sara Khan and Paras Chhabra were in relationship for almost 2 years. The couple later chose different paths in their personal life and ended their long-lived relationship. Pooja Gaur and Raj Singh Arora. Popular TV couple Pooja Gaur and Raj Singh Arora were in a live-in relationship for almost 4 years before they got married. But in 2020, the couple announced about their split up, breaking the hearts of their fans. Ashka Goraria and Rohit Bakshi. This popular TV couple stayed in a live-in relationship for almost 10 years before they called it quits. It broke the hearts of their fans when the couple announced about their split. Achint Kaur and Mohan Kapoor. Popular TV actress Achint Kaur dated Mohan Kapoor for almost 16 long years and they were in a live-in relationship. But even after dating for such a long time, the couple ended their relationship. What are your thoughts about these TV couples and their breakup? Let us know in the comment section.